Okay, I'm just trading with my signal now. That's a signal for 100 index. So that's the trade. I just won the trade. Happy New Year. I'm starting a project this year, and I'm starting a project of so I just made $12. Okay, $12. The plan is to grow and get to be able to be making at least $1,000 every day. Now this is a journey of 100 days. So today is not actually the beginning of the event. I'm only warming up. So there is a signal which I just traded, which is this. So I'm waiting right now to see if I'm going to receive another signal. If I receive, I'll be able to trade, but right now other signals are not coming up. Now I'm gonna pause and then look for signal and then do another trade. Okay, I'm waiting for signal on this 50 index, hoping to get a signal. Okay, I didn't get a signal, but I'm gonna go and check for a manual signal I can trade on it because it's a good one. Okay, I manually entered this trade for a pullback and I think it was very fast. You can see it there, very fast. Even before I opened it, it has pulled through. So you can see I've made $10. So that's like $22 for today. Okay, it's a new year, so the plan is not to trade the whole Okay, I'm just coming. Okay, manual trade. You can see me press enter, right? It's a manual trade. Okay, this is a manual trade, so it may take a while. So I'll be pausing and I'll wait for it to come down. Okay, and give me profit. It's almost there anyway, but let me wait for it. Okay. All right. So that's 3 trades. All I need to do this year is just do 3 trades, make 30% every day, and I can get to my destination. This is how fast it can be. Now I'm trading manually because it's been a while I've traded. Okay, it's been a while I've traded manually. I've been working on so many automation and stuff, so I feel like warming up. So happy New Year, everyone. And this is me telling you, showing you that hey, it's possible to make real money, right? Now look at the trades I did today. This is 1st of January 2021. Okay, you can see the last time I traded on this account was 11th November last year. Okay, now look at the trades from here. Okay, from here, boom, to here. Just 3 trades. 3 trades a day. I've just made $33. If you do not know, I don't like talking about dollars. Okay, what I'll do is this to help your ministry so that you understand what I just made this morning. 32 times 485. That's 15,500 naira. You can see a signal there. Okay, let's see if we can chop this signal. If it doesn't, okay, I don't like this signal. It's a late one, so let me leave it alone. I don't like it. I like early ones. It's a late one, but I've just shown you that it's possible for you to be making 15,000 naira every day. Okay, as low, as little as it can, little by little, you build what you need. So in this year, I'm starting a journey of Project 10k. The plan is to be making 30% every day, 3 trades, just like that, consistently, no interruption. I'm not looking at anybody. I'm not competing with anybody. I'm not trying to do it to impress anybody. It's just a personal project. So I'm only sharing with you to let you understand, is it possible? Now, these same signals are signals that are pushed to my app. Okay? The reason why I'm not using the app right now is because I have so many things on top of this phone and I cannot start affording to start splitting, and my internet itself is sluggish and slow. So as I saw that it was okay, I just quickly wanted to make use of it. So guys, you can download my app, okay, on the Google Play Store. You can download, or you visit my website, you'll see the link there. You can download. Once my website is ready, that's my app there. The same signals are generated on the app, okay. Even if you are a learner, okay, you can start learning how to generate these things. You make use of all the signals and you'll be good, okay. You make use of them. You can see the time. It's important you understand. Slow, steady, and you will be fine. God bless you and Happy New Year.